Useful tips and information about caring for a dog. Dogs are truly the greatest creatures on earth. Whether or not you agree with my assessment, you must love them as you have arrived at this video, which gives you many tips and tricks regarding caring for a dog. Pet ownership is not easy, so continue watching this video to find out as much as you can. Talk to your vet about what kinds of foods you might want to keep your pet away from. Some puppies take longer to develop, and some types of food may be too rich, leading to an upset belly or vomiting. Always exercise caution when it comes to your animal's food. Pick and choose when you are going to groom your dog. You do not want to attempt grooming when your pet is in a particularly frisky mood, because the process will not go well. Instead, do so only when your dog is calm and tired, like after you have taken him for an especially long walk. Be careful if you're searching for a new dog on Craigslist or other classified ads. Many people exaggerate the truth in order to unload problems or challenging training issues, and you could end up with an impossible situation on your hands. Only talk to people who are verifiable through vet records and demonstrate positive handling experience. If you are thinking about adopting a dog, try taking a couple of weeks off work so you can spend some time with your puppy and teach it a few good habits. Training your puppy and helping it get used to its new environment will be much easier if you are home. Now that you have all of these tips and tricks in mind, you are ready to make your dog's life better. It is up to you to use each tip one by one, changing your dog's lifestyle bit by bit. The more you do for your dog, the more he'll love you in return. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.